What's up, guys? Welcome back. Saitama season 3 of One Punch Man is out. Exciting. Hope they do a good job. Hope the animation's good, please. I love the story, and the manga is drawn so well. But let's draw this cool manga panel. All I need for you is one hand. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Most of his face is in shadow, so I'll have to improvise. So we'll zoom in up here. I'm gonna start with those big Saitama eyes. Kind of rounded this. He's not like frowning. So we'll go around and then down. Kind of big eyes. They're not like his super serious eyes yet. Right, and then he's kind of looking, it's kind of down, so his pupil is like here. And it's just black. And then I think his eyebrow is just, it's just a line basically, kind of just on top. No eyelid lines or anything. And then we just do the other eye, same, just go in the opposite direction. It's kind of top eye line, and then down here. Around the bottom, and then a pupil, just kind of looking down at Garu. Try and get them the same size. And then his eyebrow, kind of flat, just unimpressed. And then his nose, bridge of his nose just here, coming down from the eyebrow. And then we'll do nostrils. So we'll go a nostril there. And then one there maybe. Because they don't really draw in. It's just shadowed in nose. And then his mouth is open, and it's just a dark sort of mouth. So we'll go just across here, the middle. So it looks kind of closed there, but we'll just open it up. And I'm going to just color it black inside, like in the manga. You could, of course, draw in some teeth if you wanted, but his mouth is just wide open. So. And then his chin. Maybe like a little sort of hatching line just underneath there as well. Because we're looking up, it's an extreme view. His jaw is low down. It's lower than his mouth, right? So his jaw comes to like there. It's like this wine glass sort of cup shape or something, just going that way. And then it curves up either side. Put just a bigger curve on that top lip, maybe. Okay, and right, his ears then, kind of in line with his nose there. Comes right down to the bottom of his jaw. Ear lines inside, letter J. Easiest way I've found to do it, or at least to get me started. And then if you want, you can add some more inside, if you'd like. So the top of his head is cut off, but I'll probably draw it in. He said tentatively. So we go like that way. We'll just go around slowly. Try and keep it even. It's just a round bald head anyway. Boom, 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 boom. Right, and there is some like scratches on his face, maybe some dirt and stuff. Like that. Okay, so his costume is kind of torn a bit. Long neck, so the neck just goes there. Then the back of it. Is that his collarbone? Right, so that's his neck, see? And then neckline just here. Adam's apple sort of there somewhere. So we're just darkening up the lines around his eyes now. So his cape. So, right, I think that's it, like his collarbone, I think. Go on either side. And then I think we have a trapezius muscle here. And then maybe a cape or trapezius muscle going that way. And his cape is kind of ripped and torn. And he has that round button just there. So then there's like a rip and a tear here as well. Right, and then the big zip that he wears. Sort of all zigzagged. It's like open, that's his chest then. And then tears here. And then this is, so the white part of his yellow costume, I think, in here, with some zipper lines just in the middle. Right, so like his chest muscles kind of like in his shoulder just curving there. Big fist here, so can't see anything on that side, so maybe we'll concentrate on this first. So it's like folding lines just there. There's Genos's core, I think that's what that is, and then like another rip and a tear there. And his belt down there. So we got to deal with hands and of course his fist. Maybe we'll do the harder hand first. So he's holding this here, right? So his sort of bicep and tricep come down, bumping for his forearm, sort of there. That's his tricep and that's the forearm bump. And then we meet the glove coming around, and you got like a wrist bone kind of thing. So it's like the pinky starting, and the thumb is on the opposite side, right? So thumb goes up there, so we got this shape like that, and then the thumb there. Then we get these fingers. Hands are very difficult now, so take your time. Coming around the index finger first. Then middle finger, it's always the longest one. Okay, and then that ball. So and then there's the black circles inside. So there's like these other sort of, I think it says core there. I'll just color these black. So maybe like that, and then there's like a bit of a pipe or something here, like wires. Just down there, so that's like his glove, and then cape, torn cape, gone this way. Right, what's next? That's what we got so far. So I guess his belt, right? He's got that round buckle, very big. black belt just goes off there. Okay, so the fist, serious fist. So, right, so we got 4 knuckles, very big now. This very exaggerated, big knuckles, 4 bumps. Comes down onto his gloved hand. Right, knuckle there. And then like his wrist for his leather red glove just comes around here. And it's like foreshortened and stuff, so it looks kind of stumpier, kind of. So his thumb then comes around all these top fingers. There's some fold lines and things in there. And then his clothing kind of just finishes in behind his thumb there. So this is his arm, that what we can see of it anyway, just goes down off the page. His forearm, you know, to his elbows and stuff. His elbow. He doesn't have 2 elbows. Just down there. And it's like, it's cut off, so minimal what you can see. And then his cape just ripped and torn, just going down that way. So arm. So I guess we should see, yeah, like a little bit of his body there. So I just need some information up here. So like button. That's right, I refer to lines as information. It's like rib cape, not much, just kind of bumping down there. Alrighty, so all I need for you is 1 hand. Looking forward to season 2, 3. I will watch it all, no matter what the animation's like. I know, and they probably know that. They know people are just committed to One Punch Man now. So I hope the fights are like, it's not like Photoshop or something. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.